Hey guys, so let's discuss new problem from stack, which is called asteroid collision. Okay, so you would have given one array. Let's say this is 5, 10 and minus 5. Okay, and these are not array elements, they are asteroids. Okay, so if the element is positive, it means that asteroid is traveling from left to right. Okay, and if it is negative, then asteroid is traveling right to left. Okay, now if whatever is greater, okay, means they will collide, and whatever is greater will survive. Okay, and other one will destroy. If both are equal, then both will destroy. Okay, and yeah, so how we will solve it? This is very easy. Okay, you just create one stack and then you check if it is positive. Okay, if stack is not empty, but currently stack is empty, so you just push this element, first element, push it into the stack. So I have pushed it 5 into the stack. Then 10 came, so 10, it will check that stack is not empty. Okay, and the and see, if the element is in same direction, means if both are positive, then both will be in same direction. Means negative also, they will be in same direction, so they will not collide. So 5 and 10 will not collide each other, they will be in same direction. Okay, but the negative and positive will be in will come from different direction, they can collide. So 10 will come. Okay, so we will check. Okay, so we check that asteroid is not less than 0. Okay, so what we will do, we will simply push this into stack also again. Okay, now the third one came, minus 5, so asteroid is negative, yeah, condition true, and stack is not empty also. So what we will do now, we will check that you just take a stack dot pick. Okay, so 10 will come. So check if 10, okay, so stack dot pick is less than minus asteroid. Okay, because asteroid is already negative, so you will use minus, so minus minus will become positive. So you will check 10 is less than 5, condition false. Okay, so it will not go into this loop. Now it will check if both are equal. No, this is not equal also. See, if both are equal, right, so both will collide. And initially you will take one destroy variable also. Okay, so initially destroy is false because currently nothing has destroyed, so it is false only. Okay, so if both are let's say if this 10 is negative, okay, the top element of the stack is negative, then in that case it will collide. Okay, and this 10 will destroy, so we will simply pop this element from stack. Okay, if both are equal, then we will pop this element from stack, and also destroy will become true. Okay, because this one will also get destroyed, so we will not push it into the stack. And if okay, so currently this condition will true. Okay, so my asteroid is lesser actually, so this asteroid will get destroyed. Okay, so destroy equal to true, and that's it. So I will not put this into the stack. So my so this one will complete, and my stack will be something like this. So 10 comma 5, this one will be my answer. Okay, so see, same thing we are doing here in code. You took one stack, okay, and then you're iterating asteroid. Okay, and then for each asteroid you are taking one boolean variable, destroy equal to false. Initially you're checking if stack is not empty and your asteroid is negative. Okay, and stack dot pick is greater, you need to check that also, because you can push negative element also into the stack, right? So what you will do, you will just check if stack dot pick is less than minus asteroid. Okay, so you will means stack dot pick is lesser, so you will pop that element from stack. If both are equal, then you pop that element from stack, and also you destroy the asteroid also. Okay, so destroy equal to true and break. Otherwise you just destroy the asteroid, okay, and break. If nothing is true, then if it is not destroyed, okay, then you just put that element into stack. So here you will put it, and then just iterate your stack and create one result array, and put all the stack dot pop. Using stack dot pop, initialize that result array, and then return that array. So that's it. Thank you.